In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a QuickBooks report. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a little refresher, this process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks account. To do this, simply go to the QuickBooks website and look for the Sign In option. It's generally located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on that and it'll prompt you to choose your QuickBooks platform. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going with QuickBooks Online. If that's not where you have your account, make sure to select the correct version. Now that you've selected QuickBooks Online, a login page will appear. Go ahead and enter your credentials. Always double-check that your email and password are correct to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually an option to reset it right below the login button. Once you're logged in, it's time to find the Transactions option. Navigate to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Transactions. This will take you to a page where all your financial transactions are listed. Here, you can see a quick overview of your accounts, but for exporting purposes, we'll need to drill down a bit further. Next step, you're going to click on Chart of Accounts in the same left side menu. The chart of accounts serves as a backbone of your bookkeeping system, displaying all your financial accounts in a clear, organized list. On this chart of accounts page, you should see an option labeled Run Report. It's usually prominently displayed, so it's hard to miss. Click that button and give QuickBooks a moment to generate your report. This report will provide detailed insights into your account's performance over time, which can be quite useful for making informed business decisions. Now, with your report ready, look for the More Actions menu, typically represented by a three-dot icon near the top right corner of the report screen. This menu houses more options for what you can do with the report you've generated. Click on that, and you'll see an option to export to Excel. By selecting Export to Excel, QuickBooks will download the report as an Excel file to your computer. This file is now ready for you to open, analyze, and share with your team or accountant. And there you have it. Exporting a report from QuickBooks to Excel is as easy as that. It's a useful feature that allows you to manage your financial data with flexibility and ease. Thank you for tuning in. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.